In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the updated trending page on Axiom. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, you will need an Axiom Pro account. So there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins right now. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a top-tier Twitter tracker. They also have amazing P&L trackers. You can use their rewards hub where you can essentially get Solana back just for trading. They have an amazing turbo mode which allows for faster fills. You can set presets. They have a bunch of different great filters, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. Now, to use the updated trending page, what you're going to have to do is you want to click on Discover top left, and then here you have the second tab which is going to be trending. Now, this trending page has now been updated. The algorithm has been updated and everything over here inside the filters has been updated as well. So here you can view, if you want to view the 1 minute trending page, the 5 minutes, you can view the 30 minutes or the 1 hour trending page. So these four right now are the only ones available. Now, here you also have the filters. Now this is the juiciest part right now because here you can see you can filter through different protocols. Over here you can search or exclude keywords. You can basically set a lot of different filters inside the audits and metrics here, and you can essentially just put in and find those meme coins you're looking for without finding all of the other scams on the way, because of course these filters will help with that greatly. Now here you can also import or export filters, so just click on import and you can just paste that in case you have a JSON content or some file over here. You can just basically paste it in here, press import, and then your filters will be imported. Similarly, you can of course also do it like this, so you can just export it and then this is gonna get copied to your clipboard, and then if somebody sends it to you, that's how it's gonna look like. Now of course you can get it from anybody you want and then just use the same basically filters that they use, which is amazing. But if you would like to reset, you can just click up here and then it will reset your filters. Here on the right you can also click the preset settings, which will basically allow you to set your presets to however you want them to be. So you can adjust the buy and sell settings for slippages, priority, and bribe fees. You can also enable your MEV mode, or you can also use an RPC in case that's something you want to do. And then here you can see your active wallets. You can select the active one and you can set your quick buys and of course select your presets. So that's pretty much how to use it. That's how the new trending page works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.